Today we are making coffee for my mom and dad because I'm 7 and I don't drink coffee. But anyways, why should I even be making coffee? For my mom and dad. And let's play music! Now let's bake. Everybody's making it, so I'm gonna make it too. And it's called wet coffee. So let's get started. I'm gonna make mine a little bit different. I'm gonna add a little bit more flavor with cinnamon and vanilla. Oh, wait here? Oh, that's where the vanilla was. So your first step, 4 tablespoons of instant coffee, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 4 tablespoons of hot water. Whew, might burn my hand off. We're gonna add 1/4 of a teaspoon ground cinnamon. This 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mom, I need some help. Bloop. It looks like mud, rock, and dark water. Now we're going to use hand mixer to make it fluffy, and that's a little bit thing I'm scared about. I'm gonna do it though. Taste the coffee. When I first tried that the other time, it was completely horrible. Oh. Next, you're gonna fill your mugs halfway with ice. It's too cold. You pour the milk to cover the ice. Why do you need the cover? Oh, this is heavy. Ooh.
Do you need help?
Yes. My mom does not drink dairy. It's oat milk. Mommy, I need help.
Okay.
Now you scoop even amounts of the whipped coffee into your mugs. Now, like this. And now you stir it up. Now it's time to enjoy. I need to give this to my mom and dad. Here, Daddy.
Thanks, Ames.
Here, Mommy.
Thanks. All right, you ready for us to try it?
Try it. Is it good?
Wow.
That's really good.
Wow, that is really good.
That's great.
I like the cinnamon.
How did you know this?
You did a good job. High five.
How did you know there was cinnamon
High five.
in
Because
it?
I can taste the cinnamon.
Oh. Subscribe and see you later. See you next time. Bye.